Hi everyone, I'm Kristina, and in this video I'm showing you the hair topper On The Go 10 inch, which is from the Transformations Top Pieces collection by Raquel Welch. This is recently released, so it's a brand new topper. This one is made with heat resistant synthetic fibre, so it is a heat styleable piece. When it comes as it is out of the box, as you can see, it has these curls. So it has these soft, cute, bouncy curls when you get it out of the box. But of course, because it is a heat styleable piece, you could straighten the hair on this, or you could relax these curls if you felt they were too tight. So there is flexibility with this piece because it is heat styleable. Now the measurements given for this are 8.5 inches at the front. At the sides and back, the measurements given is 10 inches. Now I've checked this and that measurement would be when the hair is straight. So with these curls at the sides and the back, you're going to take an inch or two off of that to account for the curls. But when it's straight, it's 10 inches at the sides and the back. And as you can see, the front is relatively straight on this particular one anyway. So the measurement of 8.5 inches is what this front part is without any curl. And there is a measurement for the crown, which is 10.25 inches. But again, that's when the hair is straight. So as I said, flexibility with this piece, but it does have these lovely cute curls at the sides and the back if you wanted to have those. Now in terms of the base construction, it's exactly the same as the new Style Forward 16 inch and the Alpha Wave 16 inch. So if you watch that video, I talk about the base construction in detail, but I'll just summarize it for you now. So it's a monofilament top with this topper. So we have a monofilament base. The measurements are 6 inches front to back and 6 inches across. So a good size monofilament top and a polyurethane rim at the front. So no lace front, this is a poly rim front, and the clips there to attach to your head. So like I said, watch the video for the Style Forward and the Alpha Wave and you'll see more about this particular base construction. But because it is monofilament, you can part the hair as you wish to. You can part in the middle or you can part at the sides, any direction that you wish. So I'm going to show you a 360 of the topper, a closer look at the base, and I'll talk to you a bit more about this colour, which is RL1422, which is shaded wheat. This colour is RL1422SS, shaded wheat. It's a warm honey blonde blended with soft ash blonde with medium brown roots. Here's the monofilament top, the polyurethane rim at the front, and a very thin front edge of folded lace, which helps with blending. The layers of wefting for extra volume. Some permatease around the edge, which gives extra volume on the top. And the pressure sensitive clips. This topper is available to order from my online store, KristinaYoungHair.com. Please get in touch if you have any questions. Please keep following us on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to keep up to date with our videos. And we're also on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching.